Hi, this is David with Kaizink, and we're going to talk about how to clean the platens and rollers on the S7170. So the first thing we're going to want to do is unload our material. So we're going to release the lever around the back. Try not to touch the material as much as possible. And come back around the front. For this, we're going to use lint-free cloth that is available as part of the Epson maintenance kits, and the 91% isopropyl alcohol. Just soak the rag, remove these guides out of the way a little bit so that you can get to the edges of where the material was, and then just clean and look for any adhesive or anything that might be on the platen. You can get down into the grooves as well if there's material down in there. Conversely, you could also use the Q-tip type cleaning pads for these grooves. This is relatively clean because it's a brand new printer. And then we do the same thing for the rollers, which typically are most dirty towards the ends. So just kind of work the roller and make sure all the adhesive material is off, which you can usually see visually. And that's it. Then you will reload your material. Thank you.